So what I wanted today is show you a cheap set of Harbor Freight screwdrivers that I use a lot. So in this Harbor Freight set, you get a long Phillips, a long standard, a medium-sized standard, medium-sized Phillips, and a small standard and a small Phillips. This gives you versatility where you can reach inside of tools and equipment and disassemble the small disassembly screws that you find in here. Some of these screws are 3 or 4 inches inside of the tool, so you have to reach through various access spaces on tools such as these. And I've had tools that you had to have 4 inches before you could actually reach the fastener. So these are an excellent investment if you don't have a lot of money and you want to do salvage work on and part out tools. Please share your thoughts. We'll see you on the next video.